What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of Board Progression. Today we're at the top of Summit Chair at Solitude, and we're going to try to do an uncut raw audio for you guys, top to bottom Follow-Cam from the homie Evan here. So shout out to Evan. Hope you guys like it. We've never done anything like this before. We're not mic'd up, we don't have a mic, but we're going to try to get a mic for another video. But we're just going to roll with the audio that the DJI captures. So I hope you guys like it. Let's see how we do. This entry behind me to Honeycomb is closed right now, but we can go around and drop Honeycomb.
Sorry.
Start, but it's okay. We might cut right here. Not the most traditional entry into Honeycomb, but it works. Ready?
Ready.
Jump right here.
Choppy.
A little thick. Alright, you good? I'm going to start pointing it a little bit down here. Go for that side. Dip into the trees a little bit, why not? Beautiful back here. I'm gonna cut left, okay?
Gotta give my quads a sec, hang on.
Sure.
Woo! Quads are burning.
I bet, dude, sorry.
Oh.
Need a sec. No worries. Dude, you're doing a great job keeping up. Yeah, taking it for granted.
Oh. Okay.
Cool. Alright, we're gonna pick our way through here and watch out for other skiers and riders. Always looking uphill before we drop in and cut anybody off. Keeping our legs nice and loose, by the way. They're suspended. Definitely need a tune with this board. Need a bass grind and some fresh wax, guys.
I haven't had a tune-up since last year. Dan's the one that snowboards every day. We won't tell him that. It's all right. This cat track takes you back to Eagle, which is a nice little cruiser. Gives your legs a nice little break after you've done a little bit of a powder run. A little bit of a slow down, up downs. So if you're snowboarding, you always want to try and keep your pace up. It's nice when that happens, so then you're not shuffling. But it is what it is. Here we go. I've been talking for you.
This is a high octane video. This is why you guys watch board progression, right?
Need some oxygen.
Oh man, I got a rush, dude. What a rush.
Need some oxygen with that.
Yeah.
I'll give Dan a little head start.
Yeah, you'll catch up. Alright guys, well that does it. That's our top to bottom. We might have cut it a little bit in the middle there, or the last third for that cat track. My board was just not keeping up speed. Let's get a shot of the bottom of my board real quick. Can you see that? Yeah, we need a tune. So we're gonna drop the dark side off at the Lunar shop tonight. Get a fresh bass grind, fresh waxing, and we'll be back up to speed in no time. If you're wondering what did that, it was cruising into the parking lot at Snowbird without enough snow. But hope you guys like this video. Let me know what you think about these raw cuts. It's the first one I think we've ever done where we haven't synced it to music or anything, but hopefully you liked it. We're gonna have a full edit of today coming out a little bit later next week, so stay tuned for that. Keep progressing in anything and everything you're doing. Love you guys. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks for charging behind me and for the whole
that was good.
Follow.
I shouldn't have done a workout yesterday because my quads are just burning, but it's good. I need another one.
You're ripped and ripping.